What's going on, everybody? As you know, I had a Mercedes-Benz CLS550 parts car before. I've talked about that in a couple other videos. I went through everything that I've sold already. And as you know, I have gotten rid of the car and I have cut it in half. But I still have a lot of parts that I've taken off of that car, and I've been trying to sell as much as I can, obviously. The initial video I did, I told you everything that I have sold from that car for 2019 and then up to that point in 2020, which was around the month of July, I think it was. So for this video, I'm going to tell you guys what else I've sold this year for that car and then give you a grand total at the end. I sold the right front air shock for $575, the ABS pump for $100, the right door mirror for $400, the instrument cluster for $100, the cup holders for $60, and the B pillar trim for $85. So with those parts added to what I already sold earlier this year, that brings the grand total to $3,070 for just this year. It's an extra $1,300 from when I last updated you guys. So that brings the grand total of this parts car to $11,670. If you don't know already, I bought the car for $1,000, so I've made over $10,000 off of that one car. I'm very happy to see that. Like I said, I still have more parts and I need to list more parts for that car, but I'm hoping I can get up to around $15,000 or more when I'm all done selling the parts. I have a lot more little stuff left. I've sold a lot of expensive products already, but I still have a lot of little things, so I'm hoping that I can get up there. If I could find another one of these cars cheap, I would buy it in a heartbeat because there is so much money to be made off of these Mercedes. Most importantly, the average price per item is very high. It is completely different from the Volvo XC90 parts car that I have, where everything sells for under $100. Usually with this car, everything is at least a couple $100 an item, so things add up fast. So if I could get another one, I could. If you guys can find one of these cheap, I would definitely buy one if you can find it. So like I said, the grand total of this parts car is $11,670. That's an extra $3,000 just this year from this vehicle. And hopefully next year I can sell another couple thousand more dollars. So we will see. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.